Did we invite, Mr. Chair, Philippine Inquirer and Philippine Star?
Comsec, can you please reply to the query of the good gentleman from Taguig Party List?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Philippine Daily Inquirer was not invited, Mr. Chair.
How about
Mr. Chairman.
other social media? How about some other major media outlets?
Philippine Star, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, KBP was invited, kapisanan ng mga broadcasters sa
And the
Pilipinas.
president of the KBP is here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did that satisfy the query of Congressman Marcoleta?
Because I think, Mr. Chair, even the not only the social media are supposed to be invited, but also the mainstream media. I am personally victimized by these two popular newspapers, broadsheets. May I cite a particular example just to dramatize, Mr. Chair?
Yeah, Mr. Chair.
Kaya importante lang sana. Gusto ko rin silang marinig ko nandito.
What's the point of order?
So what's the point of order?
We are still in checking all the invitations that was sent to all the invitees. At the same time, Mr. Chairman, some of those invitees are not present. And with regards to the query being made by Congressman Marcoleta, I do believe that he has a basis for that. And since, Mr. Chairman, the COMSEC has confirmed that indeed Philippine Daily Inquirer and Philippine Star are not invited into today's hearing. Since Congressman Marcoleta is not a member of this committee, may I respectfully move, Mr. Chairman, that in the next hearing we will invite Philippine Daily Inquirer and Philippine Star to expedite discussion, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
We have to tackle the motion.
I second the motion.
And there's that was duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.
I still have to include another aspect of inquiry. Kasi hindi lamang po yung social media at saka yung mainstream media. I was also personally victimized by certain survey firms. Nagsasurvey po sila. For example po, yung SWS, kailangan sabihin ko na po. Nagsurvey po sila ng third quarter survey last year. And they listed 40 names, senatorial preferences. Nandito po sa akin, ibibigay ko po yung kopya po, reference ng ating committee. There are 40 names mentioned and indicated in that list. Ito po, Mr. Chair. Gusto ko lamang pong i-emphasize na dito sa 4 na pong senatoriables po na kanilang ginamit dito sa survey na to, pero po malinaw dito, Mr. Chair, hindi po nila ako nilagay dito sa 40. Pero no pong yung outcome pong ito ipalabas nila, number 36 po ako. Paano po mangyayari na ako po ay magiging number 36, hindi naman po kasali rito? Ito po yung klase ng mga manipulative surveys na pinaniniwalaan po ng mga tao. Sana po hindi na lang nila ako sinama sapagkat wala naman ako rito.
We have to tackle that issue as well, that being espoused by Congressman Marcoleta. So we will be inviting over in the next hearing, what survey firm is that? SWS and the Parsation. Ilan ba yan?
Ito lang muna yung nakita ko.
Because-
At saka yung Manila Broadcasting Corporation.
MBC. Because in the House resolution itself, the House resolution number 2147, it clearly states,
Social media lang.
Yeah.
Medyo lang eh.
Oh, kaya yun lang yung topic natin. But we cannot,
but it was,
we are
it
not
was delivered. No. Congressman Barbers, you have delivered in your privileged speech a wide, comprehensive approach on this matter.
That
And I
is
think
correct, Mr.
inviting
Chair.
over the survey firm is also correct.
yeah, maybe we
Because
can
we are tackling
expand.
not only the House Resolution number 2147, we're also tackling 2 privileged speeches that was delivered by you. So I think may basis po yung kay Congressman Marcoleta.